ही करना है, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now you can see which topic we discussed: types of polygon and diagonal, right? These two topic we already discussed in last lecture. Okay, can anyone tell me if any polygon having four sides? So what is the name of polygon?
Quadrilateral.
Girls,
Quadrilateral.
quadrilateral. Very good. If any polygon having six sides, if any polygon having six sides,
Hexagon. Hexagon.
huh?
Hexagon.
Hexagon. Very good, very good. If any polygon having eight sides,
Octagon.
Octagon.
very good. Octagon. Good, good. If any polygon having two sides,
No, it's not possible, sir.
it's not possible. Why?
It is not called
Because
quadrilateral.
it can't be
Why it is
closed
not
then.
possible? Can anyone tell me?
Simple curve.
Because if any polygon have two sides, then it can't be closed.
Very good. Exactly. Very good. Two sides of any polygon making an angle. It is not a polygon. It's only an angle. Clear, all of you? So if you
Yes.
want to form any polygon, you have to get minimum three sides. So you can easily form any polygon. Clear, all of you? So it's meant if we have three sides, then triangle, four sides, then quadrilateral, five sides, then pentagon, six hexagon, seven heptagon, eight octagon, nine nonagon, and 10 decagon. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can see. Okay, now we are discussing about a diagonal. You can see the definition of diagonal here. 1 minute, girls. I am rotating my screen so you can easily read. Okay, you can see. A diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. It is known as diagonal. Okay, just I am giving you another example. What is the meaning of diagonal? In last lecture, I just discussed about this consecutive vertices. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Consecutive vertices I discussed in last lecture. What is the meaning of consecutive? Consecutive का मतलब क्या होगा?
Sir, we don't know.
कॉन्जिक्यूटिव का मतलब होगा कि एक ऑर्डर में, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं बात करूं कि कॉन्जिक्यूटिव ऑफ 4 तो क्या होगा? 5 होगा या 3 होगा। समझ में आई बात? एक उससे आगे और एक उससे पीछे जो नंबर होते हैं उसको बोलते हैं कॉन्जिक्यूटिव नंबर, राइट? तो यहां पर क्या है कि जब हम टू नॉन कॉन्जिक्यूटिव वर्टाइसिस को ज्वाइन करते हैं तो वी गेट डायगोनल. नाउ यू कैन सी इन अ लाइव बोर्ड, so you can easily understood about this quadrilateral, sorry, diagonal. Okay, see here. For example, I am drawing one. Okay, now you can see in which we have four vertices. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, four vertices. I am giving a name of vertices A, B, C, and D. For example, now you can see in these four vertices, if we consider A, B and D, these two vertices B and D are consecutive vertices. Why? Because of after A we get B and after D we get A, so it means the consecutive vertices of A, it is B and D. But if you want to get diagonal, then you have to join with non-consecutive vertices. And you know that C is non-consecutive vertices for A. So if we join these two vertices, we get diagonal. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point, all of you girls?
Yes, sir.
You can see AC is a diagonal, you know very well, right? But why it is diagonal? Because of B and D, these two vertices are consecutive vertices for A. So it means vertices C are not consecutive. And if it is non-consecutive, whenever you join A and C, we get diagonal AC. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, now you can see we consider B as a point, B vertices. For B, A and C are consecutive vertices. For B, D is a non-consecutive vertices. So if you join B and D, we get one another diagonal. Are you getting my point now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In a quadrilateral, we have two different diagonals. First diagonal AC and second diagonal BD. If we consider A as a vertices, its non-consecutive vertices, it is C. So we have to join AC. And if we consider B as a vertices, D is non-consecutive vertices. So when we join B and D, we get diagonal BD. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. I am giving you one more example. So it's become very easy for you. For example, what is this?
Pentagon.
What? ये क्या है?
A pentagon.
Pentagon है. Exactly. Why? Because of in which we have 5 different vertices A, B, C, D, E. So it means it is pentagon. Now you can see if we consider A as a vertices, B and E are consecutive vertices. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
C is non-consecutive vertices and D is also non-consecutive vertices. So in a pentagon, we can draw AC and AD diagonal from vertices A. Are you getting my point?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now we can see from B, if we
Yes, sir.
consider B as a vertices, A and C, if we consider B, A and C are consecutive. But D and E are non-consecutive, so we join BE and BD. It is we get two different diagonal BD and BE. Now we can see if we consider C as a point, C as a vertices, two non-consecutive vertices CA and CE, but we already draw AC and AC and C are similar, so we don't need to draw again CA. So we just draw CE as a diagonal. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can see if we consider D as a vertices, C and E, these two vertices are consecutive. A and B are non-consecutive, so we have to draw DB and DA, but we already draw AD and PD and it is similar. So we don't need to draw again any diagonal. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
110%.
Yes.
Okay, now I am asking you one difficult question. Please give me the answer. Very difficult question. Huh? Please see here. How many diagonals we have in a triangle? You can see I am drawing two different figure here, quadrilateral and pentagon. I just explained you. In a quadrilateral, we have two different diagonal. In a pentagon, we have 5 different diagonal. So now can you give me the answer about triangle? How many diagonals in a triangle?
Three diagonals.
How many diagonals in a triangle? Can anyone tell me? Please listen me
Three
carefully. Huh? It is difficult question. It
Sir,
is
can I
tough
answer?
question. So please think about it and then give me answer.
Can I answer, sir?
Okay, give me answer.
As per me, there is no diagonal in triangle.
What is your name?
Fatima Sarani.
What?
Fatima Sarani.
Okay, as per Fatima Sarani, in triangle we have no diagonal. Okay, any other girls?
Yes, sir. There's no diagonal in triangle.
Who is this?
Sir, in triangle, no diagonal.
Okay, what is your name?
Lakhani Shifa.
Okay, Shifa is telling me that we have no diagonal in a triangle. Okay, then any other girls? Please
Sir,
give me
I also
answer.
read triangles. Yes.
What?
No diagonals.
नो डायगोनल. आप लोगों की यूनिटी तो बहुत बढ़िया है, क्या बात है? हाँ, एक ने आंसर दे दिया कि नहीं सर एक भी डायगोनल नहीं है, तो सब वही दे रहे हैं. पहले तो कोई एक बता रहा था, तीन बता रहा था, अब सब यूनाइट हो गए, क्या बात है? एग्जैक्टली फातिमा सरानी, वेल्डन बेटा. एंड क्या बोल सकते हैं उसको, मैं सोच रहा हूं कि एकदम तेरा माइंड है ना वो शार्प है. बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से तुमने आंसर दिया कि एक भी डायगोनल ट्राइंगल में हम ड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते. क्यों नहीं कर सकते, मैं जस्ट आपको बता रहा हूं यहाँ पर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये है हमारे पास ट्राइंगल. इन अ ट्राइंगल वी हैव 3 डिफरेंट वर्टाइसेस A, B and C. If we consider A as a point, B and C are consecutive vertices. We have no non-consecutive vertices. So if we have no non-consecutive vertices, we cannot form any diagonal. If we consider B, A and C are consecutive vertices. If we consider C, A and B are consecutive vertices. So it means in a triangle we have non-consecutive vertices. We don't have any non-consecutive vertices, so we cannot form any diagonal in a triangle. Well done, Fatima. Fatima is first girl who give me answer that in a triangle we cannot form any diagonal. Very good, better.
Thank you, sir.
So clear all of you?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
आपको डायगोनल का कंसेप्ट पक्का क्लियर हो गया ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Okay, okay. Now we can see here. Now why we use this diagonal? What is the use? ये ड्रॉ करने की जरूरत क्या है? इसकी क्या जरूरत थी हमको ये करने की? इतना बड़ा लफड़ा लेके आ गए आप सब. अच्छा था वो क्वाड्रिलेटरल दिख रहा था, उसमें भी आप पूरी एक लाइन खींच रहे हो, इधर से एक लाइन खींच रहे हो और बोल रहे हो कि इसको डायगोनल बोलते हैं. जरूरत क्या है? डायगोनल की जरूरत है, क्या जरूरत है अभी मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूं. यहाँ पर देखना. आई एम ड्रॉइंग हियर 2 डिफरेंट फिगर. फर्स्ट फिगर quadrilateral and second figure pentagon. I am giving the name of vertices. Here it is A, B, C, D, and here it is A, B, C, D, E. Right? Okay, now we can see. Only from one vertices we have to draw a diagonal. You can see if we consider A vertices in a quadrilateral, I am drawing one diagonal AC. In a pentagon, if we consider A as a vertices, I am drawing 2 diagonal AD and AC. Are you getting this point? कुछ नहीं करना है, खाली मैंने 2 फिगर लिए, क्वाड्रिलेटरल और पेंटागन. एक ही वर्टाइसिस को सिलेक्ट किया मैं. फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने A वर्टाइसिस को सिलेक्ट किया. From A we are drawing a diagonal in a quadrilateral and we are drawing a diagonal in a pentagon. So we get 2 diagonals in a pentagon and 1 diagonal in a quadrilateral. Are you getting this? Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Okay. Okay. Very good. Okay. Now you can see. Whenever you draw a diagonal, any polygon divides into triangles. Can you visualize a triangle in a quadrilateral and pentagon? Can you visualize? Can you identify the triangle in this quadrilateral and pentagon whenever you draw a diagonal? Yes or
Yes.
Yes,
no?
sir.
For example, you can see in a quadrilateral, whenever you draw a diagonal AC, we get two different triangles. Yes or no?
Yes.
Sir.
First triangle, triangle ABC. And second triangle, triangle ADC. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
In a pentagon, whenever you draw a diagonal from a single vertices, we get three different triangle. Which three different triangle? You can see ABC, ACD, and ADE. We get three different triangle. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now I am drawing you hexagon. You can see we are drawing hexagon. Okay. In hexagon, we have six vertices A, B, C, D, E, and F. We consider one single vertex is A. Out of this A, we have to draw a diagonal. So we get three diagonal. You can see AC, AD, and A. Are you getting this point?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You can see if we draw three diagonals from A, we get four different triangle. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So now, dear my girls, you can see I am writing one statement. You have to remember this statement. Whenever through a diagonal from any single vertices,
કે આપણે એસી બેઠીને આવ્યા એટલે આપણને લાગે છે.
please mute your mic, all of you, and see on my screen. Whenever we draw a diagonal from any single vertices in any polygon, polygon divide into triangle. पॉलीगॉन किसमें डिवाइड होगा?
ट्राइंगल में.
Triangle.
Triangle. Okay, now you can see the statement. Whenever we draw a diagonal from any single vertices, please remember this word. From any single vertices, सभी vertices हमको डायरेक्ट ड्रॉ नहीं करना है, खाली एक ही vertices से ड्रॉ करना है. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So whenever we draw a diagonal from any single vertices in any polygon, polygon divide into triangle.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
we have to write this all.
Yes, you have to write down everything whenever I tell you.
Sir, in fair
Okay?
book.
फेयर बुक में सब कुछ लिखना है, लेकिन अभी प्लीज यहाँ पर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन करो. Clear, all of you? This statement.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we can see if we divide any polygon into triangle. I have one question in my mind. How many triangles we get? How many triangles we get? So the simple answer, how many triangles we get? So simple formula, how many triangles we get? It is n minus 2, where n is equal to number of vertices. Okay, now you can see everything in your board. How many triangles we get? N minus 2, where n is a number of vertices. So you can see simple here. In quadrilateral, we have four vertices. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 4 minus 2, we get two triangles. Clear, all of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
In a pentagon, we have five vertices. So 5 minus 2,
3.
so
Three.
we get three triangles. In a hexagon, we have six vertices. So 6 minus 2,
Four.
6. 4.
4. So you can see we get four different triangles in a hexagon. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now write down this everything. You don't need to write down this three figure. Just draw this three figure, write down this statement and this formula, how many triangles we get whenever we divide any polygon with help of diagonal. And write down this for, oh, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Yes,
सर
yes.
ऊपर हेडिंग क्या देना है?
Okay, तो बेटा
ऊपर हेडिंग क्या देना है?
कुछ हेडिंग नहीं देना है, डायगोनल का जो हेडिंग है ना उसमें ही आगे बढ़ना है. ओके,
सर ये
चलो
फेयर
बेटा
बुक
चलो.
में Sir, we have to write this in fair book.
यस बेटा.
Gurjan Lakshu. Sir. Three, four, six. तो चप्पल पहरी अंदर આવી.
With your mic and then talk. Okay, can anyone tell me how many triangles we get in an octagon? Give me answer, girls.
Yes, sir.
How many triangles we get in an octagon whenever you draw a diagonal from any single vertices?
3.
How? Three? It is six. In octagon, we have total 8 vertices. And what is the formula? N minus 2. So 8 minus 2, 6.
6. Sir, done.
Okay.
नो सर बाकी અજય તો હિન્દી જો આવ્યા શીખલાઈ જો વન ટાઈમ ઇન રફ બુક એક્ઝામ છે
Mute your mic. Mute your mic. Okay, now written all of you.
Yes.
नो सर
बाकी है अभी.
सर बाकी
चलिए लिखो.
सर हाउ मेनी ट्रायंगल वी के बाद क्या लिखा है?
हाउ मेनी ट्राइंगल्स वी गेट इन एनी पॉलीगॉन, वो भी साथ में लिखना। मैंने कल शॉर्ट में लिखा है हाउ मेनी ट्राइंगल्स वी गेट, हाउ मेनी ट्राइंगल्स वी गेट इन एनी पॉलीगॉन, इस तरीके से।
सर यहाँ पे वेन एवर यू ज्वाइन टू फिर क्या लिखा है?
Whenever we draw कहाँ पर, ऊपर डायगोनल की डेफिनेशन में,
हाँ।
whenever you join two non-consecutive vertices it is known as diagonal.
सर
Okay, written all of you now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, now I want to discuss with you one topic. It is the topic of angle sum property of polygon. Angle sum property of polygon. For this, first of all, I explain you one another thing. For example, if it is triangle, we know that it is known as exterior angle. Yes or no? Yes or no? It is interior angle 1, 2, and 3. We have three different angles in a triangle. We know that the angle sum property of triangle, it is 180 degree. Yes or no?
Yes.
आप जब 9th स्टैंडर्ड में आएंगे, मुझे नहीं पता है कि कौन टीचर पढ़ा रहे हैं, जो भी टीचर पढ़ाएगा उसमें एक चैप्टर आएगा, 5th चैप्टर, यूक्लिड्स जियोमेट्री। यूक्लिड्स जियोमेट्री में आपको प्रूव करके बताया जाएगा कि भाई ट्राइंगल का एंगल सम 180 डिग्री क्यों है, और ये 180 डिग्री जो ट्राइंगल का सम मिले उसको हम बेस मान के आगे क्यों बढ़ रहे हैं। सो इसलिए वो अभी टॉपिक नहीं है कि सर ट्राइंगल का सम जो है 180 डिग्री कैसे हुआ, ये अभी टॉपिक नहीं है। वो 9th में आपको एक्सप्लेन करने वाले हैं, और 9th के सिलेबस में। अभी खाली आपको इतना याद रखना है कि एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ट्राइंगल इट इज 180 डिग्री। याद रखेंगे सब?
Yes, sir.
सो हम क्या बोल सकते हैं कि एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ट्राइंगल इन विच इट इज द सम ऑफ इंटीरियर एंगल, नॉट एक्सटीरियर एंगल। विच एंगल?
Interior.
Interior angle, exactly. So now we can see, we know that sum of interior angle of triangle, it is always 180 degree. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, now we can see. Now if you want to find the angle sum property of any polygon, you can find with the help of this triangle. How you can see? We know that the angle sum of a quadrilateral, angle sum of a quadrilateral, in which you can see, we know that very well. We know that in a quadrilateral, how many triangles we have? So simple formula. What is the formula? N minus 2, right? N minus 2 means we have 4 vertices in a quadrilateral. So 4 minus 2. How many triangles we have? 2 triangles. Yes or no?
Yes.
The angle sum of one triangle, it is 180 degree. Then the angle sum of two triangle is 182 is 360 degree. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So it means angle sum of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now you can see angle sum of pentagon. So we know that how many triangles we have. So it means n minus 2. In a pentagon we have 5 vertices. So 5 minus 2, it is 3. And we know that we get this 3 triangles. Now in one triangle, the angle sum is 180 degree. Then what is the answer? So 3 into 180 degree. We get 540 degree. It is the angle sum of pentagon. Are you getting this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
देखो एकदम सिंपल है, टेंशन बिल्कुल मत लेना, बिल्कुल मतलब बिल्कुल टेंशन मत लेना. देखो एंगल सम ऑफ हेप्टागन. Okay, we know that in a heptagon we have 7 vertices. So it means how many triangles we get? 7 minus 2, 5 triangles. Right? In one triangle, what is the angle sum? 180 degree. So in 5 triangles, what is the angle sum? 5 into 180 degree, 900 degree. Are you getting my point, girls?
Yes, sir.
Commonly, if you want to derive a formula, what is general formula for finding the angle sum of any polygon? It is n minus 2 into 180 degree. It is the general formula. With the help of this formula, you can find the angle sum of any polygon. For example, if you want to find the angle sum of nonagon. So in nonagon, we have 9 vertices. Put the value n is equal to 9. So 9 minus 2, 7, and 7 into 180. Multiply it. We get the angle sum of nonagon. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
In a triangle, we know that how many vertices? In a triangle, how many vertices we have?
3.
3. So 3 minus 2, it is 1. 1 into 180, we get 180 as angle sum of triangle.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So like this, we are finding the angle sum of any polygon with the help of this formula n minus 2 into 180 degree. Now today, I conclude my topic here. Today we do two different things. First thing, number of triangles in a quadrilateral, in a pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, in any polygon with the help of formula n minus 2. And second property we discussed here, it is angle sum property of any polygon, in which I am giving you the example of quadrilateral, pentagon and heptagon. And then we derive one general formula for finding the angle sum of any polygon. It is n minus 2 into 180 degree. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you want to write down, please write down this everything. If you want to take a screenshot, then please take a screenshot and write down this whole thing in your fair book, because of it is most important part of this chapter. Okay, and please try to remind these two formula. Number of
सर
triangles
वो
we
पहला
get
लिख
from the formula n minus 2, and the angle sum of any polygon we get with the help of n minus 2 into.
सर वो पहले
Yes, beta.
लिखा है उसमें नीचे लिखा है था हाउ मेनी ट्राइंगल्स के बाद क्या लिखने का है
How many triangles we get in any polygon? Okay.
हाउ मेनी ट्राइंगल
How many triangles we get in any polygon?
वी गेट
Any polygon. Written.
Yes, sir.